What is curse of dimensionality? Curse of dimensionality is when one object or one problem statement has too many dimensions, our model gets confused as to what dimension should it give more importance to and what dimension or what feature should it consider as redundant. In this case, the circle is our main problem or the main data point, and it has four features: the square, the pentagon, the triangle, and the smaller circle. Let us consider that the smaller circle is the extra dimension, which the model should ideally leave or consider as redundant information. But the model gets confused because of so many dimensions that it is training on, that it forgets to keep this as redundant. The model treats the noise also as data points, which causes a lot of problems. It causes high dimensionality, which means that the model will now be considering too many amount of features. The data points become much more sparse, the complexity increases, the distance information between two data points becomes useless, because now it is considering so many features that the distance, which is the main parameter of the model of the data points, which is the main feature of the data set that we have, that information in itself becomes redundant and useless. The model starts to do something that is called as overfitting, and this model then generates a need for dimensionality reduction, which we do by many methods. Now, what is overfitting? We see over here that we have a few data points, the red data points, the blue data points, and then we also have some red in black circle data points. Ideally, the model should have created this black line, which means that the model is just creating a classification solution where on one side there are data points blue and the other side there are red data points. Whereas in case of overfitting, the model creates this zigzag or aqua line solution to it, which is not the real solution that we expected from the model to give, which means that the model is doing overfitting. It is considering even the noise as data points, which is very harmful for us as users, as consumers, because we don't need overfitting. Overfitting is not accurate, whereas the real model is much more accurate than the overfitting model.